Hello, friends. We got ourselves fresh on the floor. 2025 Road Glide. This is billiard gray with black finish, but this one's got some custom stuff done to it, some custom pinstriping. The Harley Davidson on the fender, the orange pinstriping. The orange really does complement this gray nicely. Coming around to the side, we got ourselves a 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. This is the Gen 2 version of the Milwaukee 8 117, so this will have the center cooled heads on it. As you can see, there's also the pinstriping done around the floorboards and intake. Up around the tank, we got our new controls and also that 12.3-inch screen running the Skyline operating system. Also have a USB port right in here. This radio is Apple CarPlay compatible. You do have your ride modes on here as well. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and a sport mode if it focuses. There we go. ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. This thing's got it all. And of course, to match the pinstriping on here, we also did a custom seat to match as well. Oop. Down on the side of the bags, also on that back fender. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.